Hey, this is Obed, aka Obi, and you're trading with me. Today, this video is for those who want to get started. What do they need? How do you even start doing anything that has to do with the market? So, if you're interested, if you're new, this is for those people that have not started at all. This is somebody who's looking just to get started. All right, things that you need. You need to be 18. All right, you need to be 18 years of age. You need to have a bank account. Okay, whether it's any bank of your choice, you gotta have a bank account. Okay, and then after that, you're gonna look for a brokerage account. Okay, brokerage account. The one you're looking at the video right now, it's Robinhood, which is the easiest, the beginner mode platform kind of deal. All right, that's what you need to set up first. Okay, so you need to have your bank account set up. Once you have a debit card or your account number, then you're going to start a brokerage account. And the reason why you need a bank account is because you got to fund it. All right, so you got to transfer those funds from your bank account to the brokerage account, which in this case is Robinhood. All right, and the steps to get set up is like any other app. All right, very self-explanatory. They will also ask you your social security number. They're going to ask you your name. They probably want to see a picture of your ID to validate your identity, because this money that you will earn will get taxed. Any money that you will lose will be a tax deduction. Okay, so it's very important that you have that to get started. All right, the next thing you will want to do is you will want to fund that account, all right, with money that you're willing to lose. Money that, this money that I had for my coffee and my bagel, $5 to $10, instead of going to get that today, I'm going to invest it in a market. All right, so you invest low because you may want to start, big and try to make it big. But if you don't know what you're doing, you're just gambling that money away. All right, you might as well just come to Vegas and use that in a casino. You probably have a bigger chances of earning more money there than you would in the market. So enter small so that you learn what you're doing. And then, once you have a good grasp of what's going on, and then only then, if you feel comfortable with your craft and what you've been learning, then invest more money. All right. What a lot of people also suggest is make a fake account, paper trade or, demos. There's different brokers that have different platforms that allow you to do that. The one we're watching right now, it's Robinhood. All right. So I'm showing you all the things that you can do in Robinhood itself. So basically what you need to learn and what you look for is learn how to use the application. Play around with it. Click on everything. Try to create a watch list. Try to look for every single detail that platform has and click on all the buttons. That's one of the first things you may want to do is learn the platform, learn what things are, how to look for tickers, how to save them up, add them to your watch list and all of that. That's one of the things you may want to do. Okay. Another thing that is also really, really helpful is, how to trade, what to look for, how to read the charts. There's some lines and there's some candles and there's some other stuff. Then you're like, what the heck is this up and down kind of lines? And it could be overwhelming when you first start and you don't know what you're looking for. Okay, but those things, the lines or the candles, they will tell you, what that stock is doing and what may happen in the future, what may not. So if you got to learn how to read them so that you can make the best prediction as possible on to what's going to do or what that stock is going to do, basically. Okay. So one of the three major things that a lot of people look for is the RSI, okay, the MACD, and the moving average. Okay, those are the main three that you can find in many platforms and many tools that you can use to then help you make those choices when it comes to buying the stock. All right. I love using Robinhood because all the transactions are instantly. You don't have to wait a couple of days for your money to settle, etc., in order to access your money or invested back in the market. So that's what I like about Robinhood, is that everything is instantly. But one thing it lacks is a better platform to read the charts. That's when your other applications come in handy, like TradingView, which is all about reading charts. Okay, you can have TradingView to help you out, and you can access the charts and use indicators like the RSI, MACD, moving average that I mentioned to help you dictate what will happen with that stock. Okay, that's another thing you must learn. So we will learn it all together. We will learn it in the future. And if you have any questions, please do comment down. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. But that's basically what you need to get started. You need to be 18. You need to have a bank account. You need to make a brokerage account like aka Robinhood. And you need to fund that account with money that you're willing to lose. Because when you first start, man, it's so difficult, so overwhelming with so many things. You have no idea what's going to happen until you get familiarized with the momentum that all this stock market has. Because everything is based on news that you can find in different tools like investing.com, Yahoo Finance, and a simple Google on the name of the whatever company you want to invest. Then that will give you a lot of information on that company and if it's even worth investing or not. Okay, because when you invest in a company, you are basically trading with other people. You're going against them, they're going against you. Someone's going to buy, someone's going to sell. It just depends where you at in that specific company. If you already bought in and you need to sell, or if you're trying to get in and buy in, someone's going to sell those shares to you. And that's basically how it all gets started. All right. So you need all of those, and you need those tools that I told you, TradingView. All right. To look at those charts and look for the RSI, MACD, and moving average. Now, if you click on a computer, you'll have a clear view in Robinhood of this chart and those tools, RSI, MACD, and moving average. Okay. And that's something that we will go more in depth when we do a Robinhood video and how to use it and what to look for and what to do in it. This is a video to how to get started and how to even get your feet wet in the market. Okay, and those are the things that you need. You need to be 18, you need to have a bank account, and you need to have a broker's account where you can start trading, and also fund that account so you can use some money. Start small. That's my best thing. Or use other platforms that let you use fake money and create a fake account or a demo account. And that way you can play with fake money instead of using your real money until you're more familiar with the market and you're more familiar on what you're doing. Okay. So if you have any questions, again, please subscribe. Please like this video and let me know what you think. Thank you. And you're trading with Obi.